Hello, welcome to Greenlynurtured. Today we are launching our products, our solar kits, and we're actually here to present to you what it's all about and its usage. So you can contact us with the number 674-020786 and email us at greenlynurtured@gmail.com. And as you can see on your screen, reach us via our website. Now, the system we are about to present to you is a solar system, but this system has been customized for households and it's portable for those out in a picnic, those that are traveling to the villages, those that are fed up with the electrical cuts, as well as unavailability of electricity in some areas. So let's go straight away into the presentation of our product. Here we have a solar kit from Greenlynurtured as rightly presented. You have a system which can charge about 3 phones simultaneously, which is backed by a solar panel. It charges the battery in the system. We use approximately 4 bulbs, and these 4 bulbs work for about 8 hours in the night. Now let's get a demonstration of how this system works. Here the system has been made simplified with no demand of technical know-how to be able to manipulate. All you need to do is put it on and your system is on. For the lighting systems, you just go straight to your switch and there you go, your lights are on. In case where you want to charge your phones, you use an extension, or better still, you can use the adapter of your phone, connect it to our inverter,